Supreme Court has issued a notice to the Akhilesh Yadav government over the arrest of writer Kanwal Bharti for his Facebook posts over Durga Shakti Nagpal's suspension. Do remember that SDM Durga Shakti Nagpal was suspended for taking on the sand mafia, though the government attributed another reason for the suspension. Now, the Supreme Court has asked the UP government to explain why the writer was arrested. Pranchu is on the phone line. Pranchu, another setback literally for the Uttar Pradesh government in this particular case at least.
Yes, that's right. See, it's clearly a setback for the state government because remember, Kanwal Bharti was arrested immediately after his post, after this Durga Shakti Nagpal suspension issue, and in those particular Facebook posts, he has criticized the state government for the move, and he has also termed that in Rampur area, it's the Azam Khan who acts like a mini chief minister, and that particular post has said to have annoyed Azam Khan in particular, and therefore Kanwal Bharti, who is an eminent writer, a bit-right writer, and a very renowned face in UP's literary circle, he was arrested, but immediately after it, later on, he was granted the bail. But we all knew that this was a major issue, and even the writers and writers have taken on a protest at Jantar Mantar in Delhi, and after which this PIL was filed. Now, what we are getting to know is the Supreme Court has clearly served a notice to the state government and has asked the state government to reply within 4 weeks as to reasons why it has arrested Kanwal Bharti, on what grounds it has arrested, and what was the objectionable portion it was finding in the Facebook post made by the writer. So clearly, it's an embarrassment for the state government because now this entire arrest of an eminent writer, that the matter has come under the observation of the Supreme Court, and now the state government will have to reply on this entire issue of arrest within 4 weeks.
Right. Any reactions that are coming in from the Samajwadi Party? Because so far it has held its ground, saying that the suspension was justified and had nothing to do with the sand mafia.
Well, see, as far as this particular issue is concerned, the arrest of Kanwal Bharti is concerned, we haven't got any reaction from the state government. At that point in time when this arrest took place, the UP police has of course tried to justify the move, saying that his Facebook posts were in tune of flaring up communal tension or creating public disharmony, and therefore he was arrested. But immediately after the Supreme Court's order or Supreme Court's notice to the state government, it's just a few minutes back when this notice has been served. So clearly, till this point in time, there has definitely been no reply either from the state government or any sort of a response coming in from the Samajwadi Party.